when he was putting on these fender flares, he got to the last hole and drilled through the body, and guess what? Drilled right through the gas tank. What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to show you how to get a gas tank out of the TXT. So at this point, I want to try to get this gas tank out for him and either repair it if I can, or get him a different one slid in here. But one thing about the EZGO is that you have to have some space between the body and the tank to get this out. I can sit here and move it all day long, but it's not going to come out. Alright guys, this is how you're going to get the tank out of the EZGO gas tank. So you got that bracket there that you see me fooling with up. Right there is where the front of your gas tank will bolt. You got to take that bolt out. There's two rivets right here for your seat hinge. You got to drill that out. There'll be one there, right near the fuel pump, right above it. Then you come down here and the same thing. You'll have one right here, and you'll have another set of rivets right here for the seat hinge that you got to drill out. And then there are two bolts. You can see the hole right there, one there and one there. Take all that out. This swings up out of your way. Slip the gas tank right out, which I got it right over there. Hopefully that'll help you guys out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Have a good one.